Something you don't see in Florida very often. So for me, I'm having kind of fun with this. You can see my breath coming out. All right, good evening, guys. We are coming to you from the Oxford, Anniston area of Alabama, and I am at the Hampton Inn and Suites, which I believe on their website's even listed as Oxford/Anniston. We are close to Jacksonville State University here. We actually are who are hosting the University of Kentucky baseball team, and they're actually sharing a hotel with us tonight. We saw the team bus, so we're gonna get checked in here. It's been a long day. We've done a ton of vlogging again today all throughout Alabama. Can't wait for you guys to see everything that we've got coming, but just want to give you guys a quick room tour and a quick hotel tour. Let's go check it out. Let's go get checked in and make some memories and get some sleep. Looks like a typical Hampton Inn. We're gonna go get checked in. It says, hey there on the door. All right, let's go get checked in. Okay, so typical Hampton Inn breakfast area, hours 6 to 10. Everything's behind the sliding glass doors here, as you see. And then this is the breakfast area. Right now it's currently empty. One thing we like to do sometimes in hotels is come down here to the lobby and play cards, play Uno, Face 10, stuff like that, just to get out of the room, stretch your legs. And usually at nighttime it tends to be a little empty like this as well, so that's always a plus. Alright, let's see what else we got down here. Right here's the Oxford room. I can't show you that because right now the University of Kentucky baseball team is in there, and it looks like they're watching potentially game film, or at least they're watching some games on TV. I don't know if they're working on game film for tomorrow's game or if they're just kind of chilling out as a team, but I'm not going in there. And then right off the Oxford room is the thing I always tell you about, the downstairs bathrooms. Always good to use those. All right, this time I'm going to show you the fitness room. 6 a.m. to midnight. All right, let's see what we got in here. Got a TV up there showing a movie, some towels, a few pieces of equipment, a water station. They actually have a scale so you can weigh yourself. Small, but it gets the job done. Treadmill's good if you want to walk on the treadmill and get some exercise. It's always helpful. And then that was just guest rooms all the way down to the end here. So let's go see what's at the other end. Yeah, there's the front desk area. Coffee station right over there. I think the business center is down this way according to that sign. Let's see. Yep, business center. I'm not even gonna go in there this time. There's 2 computers in here. There's a 3-hole punch, some tape, a stapler. All that stuff's nice. And they got a printer in here as well so you can print what you need. I like that. The big giant paper clips, wall decor. That's kind of cool. And then it looks like it's all just rooms all the way down here, I think. I don't know what else would be out this way. Let's see. And here's the ice machine for the first floor. That's what was down here, tucked away in the corner. And it's just a parking lot. But yeah, so that's basically the tour of the hotel. Standard. They only have 1 business room here. The one, like I said, that the baseball team's using. Some have had multiple. This one just has the one, but it's fine. Gets the job done for what you need. Alright, so I just got checked in here at the hotel. I am in room 407. It's also the area code in Orlando, Florida. Coincidence. Maybe. Alright, let's see what we got here. Give you guys this full room tour after I lock the door. All right, and here we got the bathroom. This looks pretty typical of Hampton Inns. Shower. Everything looks nice and clean too. Toilet. Plenty of towels up there. Hello. Alright, then let's go this way and see what we got. This looks like something that you hang your clothes on, I guess. But when I first got in the room and brought the suitcase up to the room, I thought, is this like a protractor? Am I like back in geometry class? I don't know. And then something else I couldn't figure out was this sign, the picture on the wall in here, is for Heinz. It would make sense if we were in Pittsburgh or something, but is there a connection to Oxford, Alabama, and Heinz that I'm not aware of? I might have to Google that and look into that, because that's a strange picture to be on the wall here. We got our thermostat, our 2 queen beds, TV. You can see I'm watching a little basketball. And then we got our little mini fridge down here, microwave. And then inside here, I already peeked in here. This is cool. It's those shelves. I like those shelves. Those are nice. Let's see. No nightstand here. They did leave us a note in the room talking about restrictions due to COVID. It says the fitness center is now open, but the pool is closed till further notice, which it's cold anyway, so that doesn't matter. And it says hot breakfast is now being served. They also have on-the-go bags which contain fruit, pastry, cereal bar, and a bottle of water from 6 to 10 a.m. Cookies will not be served in the evenings. Darn. And then housekeeping is suspended unless if you're staying more than 4 days. Then they'll come and clean your room. And if you need more towels or whatever, you leave them outside the door and then they'll replenish if you just let them know. Then we got the typical desk over here. Gotta do some work on some YouTube stuff tonight. The other pictures in the room, this is like, looks like a old house or something. And then the other one's a cello, the artwork that's here. And then let me give you the $1 million view at the Hampton Inn price. There's the view from our room. We're surrounded by hotels. You already saw we're in room 407. The ice and venting is down at the end of the hallway down there. The guest laundry is actually here. Guest laundry is actually here. There's the washer and the dryer, and it says guest laundry products are available at the front desk. There's only one machine each. However, the one cool thing about this laundry room is there's a couple of chairs so you can sit while you're waiting for your clothes, and there's a nice folding table over here with a lamp. I've seen a variety of laundry rooms. I've seen them with televisions. I've seen them with 2-3 dryers. This one only has 1 and 1, so if people are using it, you're gonna have to wait your turn. But at least you got a place to fold your clothes and a place to sit down and relax while you're waiting. Good morning from a very chilly and cold Oxford / Anniston, Alabama. We just finished up our stay here at the Hampton Inn & Suites. Overall, it was a very good stay. The only thing negative that we really noticed was the bathroom didn't get as clean as it should have been when we checked in. We noticed it, not last night, we noticed it more this morning, that there was a little bit of dirt and stuff around the toilet and whatnot, so I don't think it was like sparkling clean like it should have been. Other than that, it was a very good stay. If you like our hotel reviews, hit that like button. If you're a subscriber who's coming back, thank you. If not, hit that red button down below, subscribe to our channel. Let's keep this thing growing. We want to hit 1900 by Memorial Day. That's our goal. So we're hoping that we can still do that, and we need everybody's help to do so. All right, guys, we're about to get in the car, get on the road, and start off on some more adventures today. As always, we'll see you soon.